In the Grade 1 unit, Programming Robots, learners program a robot like the Code and Go robot mouse. In Lesson 1, students learned programming concepts by planning what they wanted a robot to do. In Lesson 2, they will give instructions to tell the robot how to trace over printed numbers. The guiding question is, how can I program a robot to trace numbers? In this lesson, students learn that an algorithm is a set of instructions expressed in any language or representation, while a program is a set of instructions written in code that a computer can understand. The unit refers to the Code and Go robot mouse, which is one example of an introductory programmable robot. You may modify the activities to use another robot like a Bee-Bot or Botley. The Code and Go robot mouse can be programmed using 7 buttons. Pressing an arrow button adds a corresponding action to the robot's program. Then, press the green Go button to run the program. You'll learn more about the Code and Go robot mouse in the Lesson 2 scavenger hunt.